He is Manoj Punjabi, President Director of MD Entertainment.
I met with a lot of people, a lot of clients, learned a great deal from a lot of these successful people. There are many different combinations. But ever since we started North Star, we also had a chance to talk and meet with really successful entrepreneurs. So it's an ongoing process. We meet with really incredible people, and we learn a lot from them.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. His big name is well known among Indonesian business executives. After the establishment of his company back in 2003, he proves his competency as a master in managing other companies' and institutions' finance as a form of short and long-term investment through business management. He is Patrick Waluyo, co-founder of PT North Star Pacific.
Now looking back and checking out, where are they now? I'm very proud because some of them like Ravenska Pattirajawani, Sita Adisakti, and many more. I think who's the top model? There was the top models too. They all came from Malaysia, Pemilihan Putri Remaja Indonesia.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. Back in the days, the famous Ravenska Pattirajawani, Sita Adisakti, Oki Asokawati, was one of her best apprentices. These inspiring icons are part of her entire accomplishment as an entrepreneur and networker. She is Pia Alishabana, Commissioner of PT Gaya Favorit Press.
A successful business has to be sustainable, has to be profitable, has the potential to add value to the employees. It has to be able to add value to our customers. It has to be agent of change for our society.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. The challenges in automotive and aerospace industry are encountered with wisdom, passion, and persistence. He is the man behind the success of the most respected air charter company, Travera Air, the empire he established to provide maximum safety and accuracy in the business. He is Rizwan Halid.
And now that I know I affect 80 people and their family who depends on them, I can't describe to you how I feel when we have a end of year dinner with the staff. They are laughing, they are talking to each other. This is the greatest success that I think I ever done in my life.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. The business industry she is in is greatly dominated by men. However, this fashionable woman prefers to deal and struggle with automatic teller machines. It is her sole ambition to distribute these machines evenly throughout Indonesia. She is Sari Lestari Darmawan, Director of PT Argenta Adiloka Pratama.
The other person would be my grandfather. Even though when we were still kids, he always give all those business value that you have to work in order to make money, you have to work in order to eat, and so on and so on. And those value until today is still with me.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. Being an expert in computer was his aspiration. But today, not only is he an expert in this field, he is a founder of Zyrex, a well-known local brand in computer products. Zyrex products are affordable and available throughout Indonesia. He is Timothy Siddiq, President Director of PT Zyrexindo Mandiri Buana.
We all now live in a digital era where all information can be accessed at the click of a button. IT is one of the fastest growing industry worldwide, and in Indonesia, IT has given much space for more innovative products and services.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. When she first started, she had only 5 employees and still managed to sell more than 200 monitor PCs. Within 5 years of operation, she now has more than 50 dealers to evenly distribute notebooks and printers in Indonesia. She is Yuliasiana Sulistiawati, President Director of PT Pazia Pilar Mercycom.
The Social Entrepreneur of the Year 2009 is an award to appreciate those individuals who apply business principles embedded in entrepreneurship to address challenges faced by our communities. And these entrepreneurs identify new processes, services, products, or unique ways of combining proven practice to solve complex social problems.
And these are the 3 finalists of Social Entrepreneur Award category.
We make a slogan in our business, the voice of fair trade, to ask all people, all the business, and also all the government to do a fair trade in business.
Here is the finalists of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. Over than 4,000 of craftsmen in Yogyakarta look up to him as a great savior. By practicing fair trade in the institution he established, he provides great opportunity for the craftsmen to bigger market demand, both in domestic and international. He is Amir Panzuri, Director of Apikri.
A success is not all that satisfying when you enjoy it by yourself. It is a success if others also taste it. And not only the money we get, but we also should share the ways to reach that success.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. In the media industry, he's well known as a journalist, a job that creates the opportunity to engage himself to the unfortunates. Eventually, he initiated to manage poverty through professional business approach. He is Eri Sudewo, the founder of Dompet Duafa Republika.
If the business can prove that is at the same time can generate enough profit, but also can save the world, save the ecosystem, save the forest, save the biodiversity, and save all the people around your business entity.
Here is the finalist of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2009. The drastic decline in biological support to Indonesia's forestry and wildwood has always been his concern through owning approximately 10,000 acres of forest concession. His organization is in obligation to restore and prevent this area from illegal logging and maintain its biological variety with economical value. He is Sukianto Lusli, Executive Director of Burung Indonesia.
Saya bersyukur bahwa segala elemen di Indonesia sekarang telah menyadari bahwa entrepreneurship merupakan salah satu ujung tombak untuk economic development dan kesejahteraan rakyat Indonesia. Banyak program dari pemerintah saat ini maupun dari swasta yang mendukung program UKM maupun entrepreneurship. Saya percaya kalau makin banyak entrepreneurship di Indonesia, maka ekonomi Indonesia akan makin maju. Finalis Entrepreneur of the Year Ernst & Young tahun 2009 sangat baik kualitinya dan sangat beragam para finalisnya. Yang termuda bahkan hanya baru berumur 26 tahun dan yang paling senior berumur 76 tahun. Ini menunjukkan bahwa entrepreneurship mendapatkan perhatian yang tinggi dari komunitas masyarakat Indonesia.
Event Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award 2009.
And ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to find out the 4 winners of the 4 categories. Special Award for Entrepreneurial Spirit 2009, Young Entrepreneur 2009, Lifetime Achievement Award 2009, and Service Entrepreneur 2009.
The Special Award Entrepreneurial Spirit 2009 goes to Handi Setiono of PT Baba Raffi Indonesia.
itu saya merasa sangat bangga, saya merasa sangat terharu, dan saya menangis tadi menerima award ini. Tentu ini penghargaan yang tidak saya duga-duga. Saya mengucapkan banyak terima kasih kepada tim kami, Baba Raffi, kepada manajemen tim kami, kepada semua employee, kepada semua franchisee, terima kasih banyak. Dan juga kepada keluarga saya yang tercinta, istri saya, bapak ibu saya yang sekarang hadir di sini, jauh-jauh dari Qatar untuk mendukung anaknya. Tentu saja perasaan saya sangat bangga luar biasa. Saya berharap nantinya akan lebih banyak lagi Hendy Stiono yang lain yang tentu saja dapat menciptakan lapangan kerja yang lebih banyak di Indonesia.
He always believed that he would be an entrepreneur. His personal motto is just do it. Many call him the golden boy in the financial industry. Many believe that he has the Midas touch. Despite his young age, his achievement in private equity, micro banking, and distribution can only attract admiration. The Young Entrepreneur 2009 Award goes to Patrick Waluyo of North Star Pacific.
Tentunya sangat senang, tapi juga merasa bahwa ini sebetulnya merupakan penghargaan bukan untuk saya sebetulnya, tapi untuk teman-teman di North Star, terutama co-founder, partner saya Glenn Sugita, partner-partner yang lain, dan seluruh anggota dari North Star Pacific yang mempercayai kami untuk membangun perusahaan bersama-sama, dan untuk seluruh karyawan dari portfolio companies kita yang berjumlah 52.000, kami mengucapkan terima kasih. Harapannya ini menjadi suatu wadah pengakuan untuk para pengusaha di Indonesia, terutama yang pengusaha yang muda-muda, untuk terus berkembang, memberikan kontribusi untuk tanah air kita.
Lifetime Achievement 2009 Award. To call her an entrepreneur is an understatement. For her entourage, she is more of a guru, an accomplished networker, a motivator, a firm believer in people development, a highly respected woman of many talents. She started her empire upon a challenge from her husband, and with her indefatigable effort, she succeeded in bringing Femina and Gadis to become a leading player in Indonesia media industry. This year Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Ibu Pia Alicia Bana of PT Gaya Corporate Trust.
Ya, setelah saya terpilih memang agak terkejut. Memang ya saya kan sudah tidak muda lagi ya. Dalam hidup saya yang cukup panjang ini, memang saya banyak melakukan hal-hal yang boleh dikatakan membangun atau malah mendirikan ya. Misalkan mendirikan perpustakaan dengan 15.000 buku ya mengenai Amerika. Lalu kemudian saya juga untuk mencari bakat-bakat baru di dalam dunia fashion, di majalah grup Femina ini, kami mengadakan lomba perancang mode. Saya rasa itu salah satu yang sumbangan saya dalam dunia mode ya, ialah menghasilkan para desainer-desainer muda.
The Service Entrepreneur 2009 Award. This person had already become an entrepreneur since 8 years old by doing small business. With personal motto as an entrepreneur are sharing, loving, and giving among the team members. Among the employees, this person is known as the hard disk or the main driver. She uses the term big professional family to describe her company. The recipient of Service Entrepreneur 2009 Award is Yulia Siana Sulistiawati from PT Pasya Pilar Mersicom.